Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show some cool stuff. What I'd like to do today guys is show you how to create some really cool artwork just simply using AI. There's been a massive new update in the Adobe world and they've introduced AI into a number of the softwares, including Photoshop. What I'd like to do today, I'm from London, so I'd like to create a image based around London Bridge, but I want to create a really sort of like surrealistic, and I want to add some different colors and all that kind of stuff. And all I simply need to do is just use the new generative fill options implemented within Adobe Photoshop. What I'm first of all going to do is make a selection across the whole artboard here. So I'm going to use my rectangular marquee tool and make a selection across the whole artboard like so. You notice now, guys, with the new update, what they do is they implement this new contextual taskbar. And you can see we have generative fill. And what you've got to do is start putting in a prompt. Now I'm going to put in London Bridge, comma, meteor background, comma, the realism, and digital art. And all you need to now do, guys, is just simply click generate and let Photoshop do the magic. The benefit of this AI stuff as well, guys, is that it gives you different options to choose from. So you don't have to just stick with one result. There are three different results that pop up within your properties window. Also, as well, if you're not happy with the original three, you can just generate again and it'll create three more options for you. So here are our final results at the moment. I've got this one, that one, and that one. I'm pretty happy with that one, guys, to be fair. And as you can see, a really cool looking image there, just simply created using AI. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.